So in my previous video, somebody was saying to show how this water heater works. So it's very simple. First, you just have to plug in the cable to a power outlet, and then the base is ready to be used. Then you just insert the jug on top of the base. It's as simple as that. Now, for us to do it practically, I'll have to fill this up with water, or at least let me add some water into the container first. So once you have your desired amount of water, you just close it, and then you can now place it on top of the base. Now I've not turned it on, that is why the indicator is not showing. So once I press it now, you see the light is on. So that is the switch and this is the indicator. So I'm just going to leave it now until the water boils. I'm just trying to show you the real time, how long it will take to boil. But also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how long it took for the water to boil. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as you watch. Thank you. From what I've noticed, as long as the water is boiling, it automatically turns off by itself. So you can see there's still light on the extension, but it tripped off without touching it. So let's see if the water is boiling inside. As you can see it's boiling already. And in total, it took about 3 minutes 45 seconds for the water to reach the boiling point. So I think it's very fast considering the size.